So my buddy here backed into a pole, and we're about to fix the damage.
What do you think? What do you think? Drunk driving.
So whatever I need to do to make that happen, I'll do it.
Well, dude, that guy sounds sketchy as f. He's gonna take your money and dip.
Hell no. I'm going to his house on Saturday.
Are you about to text him to say, I just sent the deposit, and it's about to send really slow, and then it says not delivered, and then it switches to a green bubble?
Hell no. That's why I told him I'm going to come meet you and I'll bring cash.
So that's a little iffy. That might come out a little bit better once that's popped, but still I think that's gonna leave a bit of a mark. For the lights, you're gonna definitely pop this and then just start taking apart from the back.
The title of my car is like so.
Where did you keep your title in here?
I just had thrown it in here because I just had to grab it out of my safe and I was just going to take it back to my house, but when I picked it up, I realized it's
What's the all the info on the title? So you're gonna have to get all this shit out
I'm
of
just
here.
gonna get on this and play, and I'll be in the VR world while you're here physically doing it.
Nah, dude, I'm about to give you instructions.
All right, well, give me my first instruction.
Get all this shit out of the trunk. Twist that, and then this whole thing just comes up out of there. Oh, yours is falling apart, damn.
Is that good?
That it's falling apart
No,
now.
that is
Oh, yeah. Okay,
yeah,
and
a
then
little bit of water is getting down
there's
there.
gonna be, you take out this connector.
It says I'm gonna give you instructions and then proceeds to do it all.
And then, and then this comes out. That's where your bulbs install. And then there should be like 2 bolts, basically.
Yeah, 3.
Maybe 3. And you take those out. Let's see, what size are those? Probably about a 8mm. Chill, you can't be slamming your keys into the Z, bruh. What you mean? So you're gonna f it up some more? Oh, your car's got a dent in the bumper. I'm gonna go kick the side of it. You need to not be looking at fractions. You need to be looking at.
This is probably it right here.
No, that's definitely not it, dude. There are no standard. There's not going to be any fractions. It's always going to be millimeters on a BMW. They don't do standard stuff. It's all metric. Everything on that entire car is metric. That's why I barely have any standard tools, because every car I've ever had has been metric. Dude, what's taking so long?
Piece of shit. Here we go.
This is supposed to be hooked up here, dude. Dude, you just pulled the first light out when I wasn't even looking. I didn't even get to get a shot of it. You gotta
Put it back in.
Put it back in, and then.
All right, I'm gonna put my hand in there and act like I'm still.
All right, the bolt's in all the way too.
All right.
No, you gotta thread that completely.
No. There we go. Where are the lights though? I bet you left those at your house too. You son of a.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Actually, hold up. Take that back out again.
Me?
Yeah. I don't know. You almost could. I almost want to do this while the light's off. Here.
No. No.
All right. Melt the out of this piece.
Dude, when my check engine light came on, I swear I almost posted this in the group and just said someone come pick up this piece.
No, why?
Dude, because I was like, I'm just tired of it.
Dude, you've literally done nothing the entire time you've had this car.
This is the first repair we've ever done. That's so funny.
You almost just popped this without even heating it up. It's so hot outside.
She's trying. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh no.
No!
No! Leave it up to Ted.
Damn, dude. My extension is in there, dude.
No way. You have a magnet?
Dude, you about to have to buy me a new extension.
What you mean?
No.
Let's get another extension.
No.
So Ted just dropped his extension in there. Oh, trying to pump this, pop this, pump this, pump this, pop this, pump this, pop this, pop this, pump this freaking dent out, which we actually got it pretty good. It needs a little more in this area right here. And we're going to find something else that we can donate to the bumper in my car.
Dude, this is a shade tree Body
Oh,
shop.
hey, wait. Don't drop that.
You need to get in there even more.
I mean, even that right there is just so much better than what it was.
I need something to push against that too.
Nice. That honestly looks so much better, dude.
Yeah, could also wipe that off a little bit.
Yep. Dude, that looks so much. Oh, shit. So that looks a lot better, dude. I'm honestly happy with that.
This is interesting. This is gloss black because mine is chrome. I wonder if they painted that.
Why is it not like close to the top? That looks like a water hazard, dude. 'Cause I'm looking up in there and it doesn't look like there's any
Water hazard?
like a hazard for water to enter the
You
car.
take this thing in the water?
No, but it rains.
Well, it's burnt out. That filament's busted. That filament's busted. Those are both busted. So you need to get 2 new bulbs. So this one, you can see the filament intact. This one, the filament is non-existent. It's just not even there. So, oh, careful. So there's 2 halves to this. So you want to take the front half. It just pulls out like a half inch, and then the whole thing can easily come out. You have to be very careful. Otherwise, you can easily break that.
Wait a minute, do I need to go behind the...
It's easier to just kind of go in here like this and get down in there and then kind of twist like that. And you can actually take that off that I put on there earlier. You could pull that one out the same way. Is the trunk dented?
No.
Oh, you gotta hook it over the edge.
Wait, hold up.
Yeah, you have to take that off.
This off?
The other one, it's still on there. The new one, it's still on there. You gotta take that off. Put that on once the light's in there. That's why it won't go in. Really, there's a bug flying right in my face. Cross-threading. I would just do like this, dude.
Oh, okay.
Don't go too tight now. And then this was here, right?
Yep.
No, it looks good. I was just gonna say we could open it and see it. It'd be cool.
Hell yeah.
That's
Yes,
dope.
she is, boys.
That's dope. Dude, so you're about to be towing with the little D. Dude, I mean, that looks a lot better already with an actual taillight on there. All right, this is how to change your taillight bulb when you drunk drove and crashed into another car and then fled the scene. Code's found 2. How you feel right now?
Shit, man.
Fuel rail system pressure too low. Melt the out of this piece.